Hey guys, welcome to my channel Simple Learning. My name is Smita and today we will see how to change the password in Google Classroom using your mobile phone. I hope you have installed the Google Classroom and also logged in. So once you log in, just click on the Google Classroom. The Google Classroom opens. See that you are the same email ID which you want to use. On the top right corner you can see there a D initial in a maroon color. So that will be the initial of your email ID. Once you click this initial, you will get the email ID. So please check if it is the right email ID. Otherwise, you will have to select from the below mentioned email IDs. Now here you have to click on Google account. Click on Google account, and after you click on Google account, you will get this. Go to personal info. First is the home, then next is the personal info. Click on personal info. After you click on personal info, below you will get password. Click on password. Here you have to type your old password or the password provided by your school. Once you have typed the password, click on next. Now here you have to type the new password. Now here you have to type the new password. Once you type in the new password, you have to also confirm the same password below. Please make sure that you type the same password in both the places. After you have typed the password, click on change password. You will get a message saying password changed successfully. You can click on close. Close this Google account, and now you have successfully changed your password for your Google Classroom. The same password applies for your mail as well, email ID as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Click on the thumbs up icon if you have liked this video. Thank you once again.